welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to unpacking or unboxing a huge package from Oulac. So if you guys are interested for this kind of video, please give this a thumbs up and please consider to subscribe to my channel, and let's go started. So we have a lot over here. So let's go started for this one first. This is the biggest among all the packages. I don't even know what are in here. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette or a face palette. These are a lot of plastic to recycle, I guess. So here it is, our first product, and this is their Oulac 12 Shades Eyeshadow Palette. And here is the back. We have some matte eyeshadows here, pearly. Here we go. We have some matte eyeshadows, pearly eyeshadows, and luster eyeshadows here. And most of each products or each formulas here are the ingredients, what is in this eyeshadow palette. So let's go open it. So it's like kind of what is this color? Coral. So here is the inside of it. I think you can, oh, they are magnetic, and then you can pop them in and out. That's so cool. So here it is. It does have a big mirror right here, which is really nice to have. And I'm not sure how much is this, and I'm going to just unpacking them and show you guys what I've got. And the next thing I do is, like, for some next videos, I'm going to test this out, try it on, and maybe do 3 looks or whatever. So next are like kind of huge one, like here. So I'm going to put this one aside and open this. If you guys are hearing a noise or something like that, it is my camera. I need to figure out what's going on my phone. It does have a lot of kind of noise, something like that, and I'm figuring out how I'm going to use my new phone. So by the way, let's go back to this unboxing. And this is their Oulac Black Pearl, and it does have 12 ml here. And this is their gel nail polish, and Cure Under LED UV lamp soap off. Whoa, here they are. So I'm not sure, I didn't know that they sent me this ones too. Wow, this are a lot of shades. These are like kind of more on fall. This one is like kind of fall shade. Let's see. Whoa, so you guys can see that. Oh, wow, I made a mess. So I'm just gonna put it back and tighten it up, and hopefully it's not gonna get stuck in there. So I didn't know they sent me some of this nail polish also. I thought they only sent me some makeup products. Anyway, so this is a different video, so I'm trying to separate each of them, because if I'm going to do a video for all of these products, we're not gonna finish. So next is this one. They're really good on packing their stuff, which is nice, but this is a lot of extra plastic things. So again, this is their Oulac Black Pearl, and this is the base coat and top coat of the nail polish. So they have a cute packaging, like black and gold and pink. Let's see. So here they are, base and a top coat. I think it's the same packaging from the previous nail polish a while ago. They are really packed in here. So let's move on to the next product. We have a lot right here, so I'm just gonna put 3 for now because we have a lot more. Excuse my nail polish on my only thumb because I was testing out a nail polish color, which is I am really going to test out a real nail polish product. So here are the 3 products that I just unpacked. This is their cream color. So this is their cream color, and this is in the shade of it doesn't say, so I'm just gonna open it. Okay, this is in the shade of cream color. This is their cream color in the shade of Sweet Pea. So this is how it looks like inside. It's really packed as I can see it. So I'm gonna put that aside, and this is their Kiss Proof Liquid matte. Maybe this is a in the shade of, doesn't show, it's just two. This one is summertime, and this one is kind of like beach something. So I'm gonna open them. So this one is in the shade of Long Beach, which is from California. And then this one is Summertime. Is it Long Beach is only in California? I'm not sure if there's another beach, Long Beach, in different state. But anyway, this one is Summertime, which is really like orangey. Oh my gosh, this one is great for summer. So yeah, so here they are. It's like opposite shades. It's like really pinkish. I don't know if these ones are really suited for my skin tone, because my skin tone is kind of a medium. So I'm gonna put this aside, and next So here they are. We have 2 more Kiss Proof liquid matte lipstick, and we have in the shade of Pinky and Unpredictable. I think it's Unpredictable Kiss. Wow, this is like kind of lavender one. Wow, Unpredictable Kiss. It is. Oh wow, this is our kind of summer, spring to summer color. Whoa, I'm not sure if these are going to suit it to my lips. We'll figure it out. So next we have a cream color here in the shade of pink. Pink Flamingo. See, these are really nice for summer or spring. This one is Crystal Rain. Wait, wow, this one is great for a topper, or like kind of you can use it as a highlighter. So this one is in the shade of, wow, this one is my favorite, Vibrancy. It's like a lavender shade. So here it looks like, and it is very promising. This one is nice to wear with mattes, a colorful matte. Okay, next we have Honey Bunny, which is like this color. It's like bronzy. I don't know if you guys can see, but they are really pigmented. And then we have more here, 4 more. We have Lustering. Wow, this is like kind of rosy color. And this one is My Fate. It's like kind of like yellow goldy color. And wow, this is blue, which is No Burden. Wow, so bright. It's like summery. And then this one is, lastly, is Total Eclipse. This is a kind of grayish bluish color, I guess. So yep, we got 9 shades of cream colors here, and then 4 Kiss Proof liquid matte lipstick here. And then we've got 2 of their nail polish products, like the top coat, the base coat, and 6 of their shades in here. And then lastly, we've got their eyeshadow palette, which is nice. I am excited for all of these products. And then yeah, I'm going to do a lot of videos for this one, so stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. Bye, see you on my next video. Love me, say that you